Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever.
Thank you. Again, First Samuel chapter 17. Verse 56 to 58. So
the king said, "Inquire whose son is this young man." Then as David returned from the slaughter of the Philistine, Abner took him and brought him before Saul with the head of the Philistine in his hand. And Saul said to him, "Whose son are you, young man?" So David answered, "I am the son of your servant Jesse, the Bethlehemite."
Yizwi lenkosi leli bandla lonke lizothi amen.
Amen.
Ake sikhuleke. Baba liphilile suthise ngalo ngoKristu Nkosi yethu. Amen. I'm sorry ukuthi kwinqonqothele enkulu kangaka mama mfundisi njengopresident wale nkonzo.
I am sorry, Mama, as president of this great conference,
Ngizo shumaela bese nginivulela uPsalms 23.
coming to preach to you and just open Psalm 23.
Yabona namhlanje abanye bezobe belala bekhuluma ngami namhlanje.
I see some people tonight are going to sleep talking about me.
Sigadla sendoda nje savula uthwa Psalms 23.
A huge man like that just came and opened Psalm 23.
Yabona indoda sikhuluma nenkosikazi embhedeni uthi ngicishe ngasho ngekhanda ngoba into engayingisho esikolweni le.
I can see people speaking on their bed saying, "I nearly just recited that from head because I used to do so when I was at school."
Ngicela ningixolele umoya uphephetha la uthanda khona.
Forgive me because the Spirit leads wherever he desires.
Bengicabanga bengithi ngizohlala phansi mamfundisi ngithi ngizokhuluma kahle kusasa nami ngilalele ngizwe ukukhuluma njengomongameli wale nkonzo.
I thought, Mama Mfundisi, that I was going to sit down tonight and listen to you as the president of this great convention.
Ngiyalibonga kithuba lakho nginika lona ake nimshayele izandla.
Grateful for the opportunity you have given me. Please clap your hands for her.
Ngenyanga yamakhosikazi
On the month of the women,
Nangamazwe ngicela share ngawo kafushana nje.
Here are words that I wish we should share shortly.
Bible scholars bazovumelana kanye nami ukuthi leli hubo uDavid walisho esesemncane kakhulu leli.
Bible scholars will agree with me that David wrote this psalm while he was quite young.
Bekakahlanganisi no 20 years awungiyaphi lapho ngoba no 18 years bekangakahlanganisi nakasho leli hubo.
Hardly 20, hardly 18 years of age when he began to speak this psalm.
Kodwa nawulilalela lehubo ihubo lomuntu omdala leli.
But when you listen to the psalm, it is a psalm of an elderly person
Odlule ezintweni.
who has gone through things.
But lisho umntwana omncane la.
But it is spoken by a very young person.
Ngifuna sibuke lokho nje why ebuncaneni bakhe uDavid ajule kangaka.
I want us to look at that. How could such a young person be so deep?
The Lord is my shepherd.
uJehova ngumalusi wami.
Uthi noma ngihambe esigodini sethunzi lokufa.
It says, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death,
Angesabo kubi
I fear no evil,
ngoba wena unami.
for you are with me.
Adlule abese uyaprofeta.
He goes on to prophesy.
Atundlala itafula
Says,
ebusweni bezitha zami.
you lay a table for me before the presence of my enemies.
Tugcoba ikhanda lami ngamafutha.
Anoint my head with oil.
Indebe yami iyachichima.
My cup overflows.
Adlule athi impela ukuhle nomusa kuyangilandela.
Continues to say, surely goodness and mercy shall follow me.
Hayi khona inkinga la.
There is a challenge here.
Sanibonani.
Hello.
Kokuqala nje ubani uDavid?
First of all, who is David?
Uma ngabekwa la bese kuthiwa ake simusho ubani uDavid?
If he was to be put right here and we have to say who he is.
Masikhuluma ngoDavid sikhuluma about a warrior,
When we talk about David, we talk about a warrior,
a musician,
a musician,
a saint,
a saint,
a prophet,
prophet,
a sinner.
umoni.
Kuyamangaza uNkulunkulu kathatha isona senze umprofeti.
How could God take a sinner, make him a prophet?
A type of Christ.
Umzekeliso kaKristu.
A star.
Inkwenkwezi.
Nawe lapha kwaIsrael iflege labo line star okuthiwa istar sikaDavid.
When you go to Israel, their flag has a star that's called the Star of David.
Akasekho yena kodwa kusakhulunywa ngegama lakhe namanje.
He is no more, but his name is still as famous.
NjengoKristu